Welcome back. I'm Milton Lowe, and in this section we focus on what really makes social media powerful engagement and community. You can have the best looking posts in Namibia, but if no one interacts with them, they're just decoration. Engagement is what turns social media into a living conversation between your brand and your audience. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to start meaningful conversations, respond professionally, and build a loyal online community. Part 1. Understanding engagement. Engagement means interaction, likes, comments, shares, clicks, saves, and even private messages. It's not just about numbers, it's about connection. Every like or comment shows that someone noticed you, and that's the first step toward trust. Ask yourself, who is engaging with our posts? What kind of content sparks the most replies? How can we make followers feel heard? The more authentic your interactions, the stronger your online community becomes. Part 2. The golden rule: engage first. Many brands wait for people to come to them. Don't. Engage first. Spend 10-15 minutes daily liking, commenting, and sharing relevant posts in your network. Leave thoughtful, short comments, not just nice. But something like, "That's a great insight." We've noticed the same trend among Namibian SMEs. When you engage meaningfully, people will remember your brand and start engaging back. Part 3. Responding to comments and messages. How you respond defines your reputation. Always reply, even to negative feedback. A respectful, calm response shows professionalism. Example: "Thank you for your feedback. We understand your concern and are reviewing this internally. We'll follow up soon." Never delete criticism unless it's offensive or spam. Transparency builds credibility. Part 4. Creating conversations. Engagement doesn't happen by chance, it starts with questions. Add prompts to your posts like, "What do you think?" Tag a friend who needs this tip. Share your experience in the comments. The more you invite people to participate, the more they'll feel part of your brand story. Part 5. Handling negative feedback. Criticism online is inevitable, but it's also valuable. Here's how to handle it. 1. Stay calm. Don't reply emotionally. 2. Acknowledge the concern publicly. 3. Move the conversation to private messages if needed. 4. Follow up and let others see you resolved it. When done right, a complaint can turn into a public example of great customer service. Part 6. Building a loyal community. A community is more than followers. It's a group of people who believe in your mission. To build loyalty, celebrate milestones, for example, 1 year in business or 10,000 followers. Feature your followers or clients in posts. Use polls or questions and answers to make them part of decisions. Reply with kindness, always. People support brands that make them feel seen. Part 7. Using groups and pages strategically. On Facebook, create or join niche groups where your business can add value. Share useful posts, not just promotions. Offer advice, answer questions, and link to your content naturally. On LinkedIn, join professional groups in your field. Participate in discussions and share insights from your Namibian perspective. This positions you as a thought leader. On Instagram, use story polls, quizzes, and questions and answer sections to spark instant engagement. People love feeling involved in shaping your content. Part 8. Measuring engagement. To track engagement success, look at likes, comments. Thesis indicate interest in your posts. Shares and saves show deeper value. Follower growth rate reflects consistency. You can find these stats in LinkedIn Analytics, Facebook Insights, or Instagram Professional Dashboard. Focus on quality interactions. 10 meaningful comments are worth more than 100 empty likes. Part 9. Practical exercise. Your challenge. 1. Post something that asks a question related to your brand. Example: what's one thing you wish you learned earlier about financial planning? 2. Respond to every comment within 24 hours. 3. After 3 days, check which replies created the longest discussions. That's your engagement hotspot. Focus more content around that topic. Part 10. Tips for long-term growth. 1. Be consistent, post and engage weekly. 2. Be genuine, don't force tone or humor. 3. Be curious, listen more than you talk. 4. Be grateful, thank your community often. These small gestures build trust, and trust is the currency of digital communities. Part 11. Recap. Let's summarize. Engagement equals authentic interaction. Respond quickly and professionally. Ask questions and encourage conversations. Manage negative feedback with respect. Build community through recognition and gratitude. When people feel connected, they don't just follow, they advocate. You've now completed Section 4, Engagement and Community Building. You're no longer just a content creator, you're a community builder. In Section 5, we'll explore analytics and growth strategy, how to use data to refine your approach, attract the right audience, and measure real success. Remember, great brands don't talk at people. They talk with them. See you in the next section.